We'll guide you through how to record your screen with Streamlabs. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Streamlabs on your computer. Once you're in, you'll want to look for the Sources box, usually located at the bottom of the main interface. Click the plus icon to add a new source. From the list of options, select Display Capture. This option will let you capture everything happening on your screen. When prompted, give your new source a name that you'll easily remember, then click Add Source. A new window will appear where you can choose which display you want to capture, especially if you have multiple monitors. Select the display you want, and you can adjust any settings if necessary. Then click Done. Now your screen is set up to be recorded. Next, look for the Controls panel on the right side of the interface. Here, you'll see the Start Recording button. Before you hit it, make sure your audio sources are correctly set up in the audio mixer, so your recordings include sound. Once everything looks good, go ahead and click Start Recording. Streamlabs will begin capturing your screen along with any audio you've configured. When you're done recording, return to the Controls panel and click Stop Recording. Your video will automatically be saved in the default location set in Streamlabs settings, typically in the Videos folder on your computer. You can change this location by going to the Settings menu and selecting Output, then specifying your preferred folder under Recording Path. And that's it. You've successfully recorded your screen using Streamlabs. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.